Hello, today we will explore new ideas. I will teach you in detail the entire toner refilling process for your specific HP printer's toner cartridge system. Please note that the object you are referring to, which is called bara IDs, has its specific number clearly displayed right in front of you, indicating how to proceed. We'll refill it. First of all, you have to open its two parts. I am opening this in front of you. This is a very interesting video. Watch it fully so that I can teach you how to fill this cartridge. I will explain it in a very excellent manner. You have to separate these two parts separately, just as I have separated them. From here you have to open its screw, which is the filling part. You have to remove this cover. After successfully removing the screw that was holding it in place, I am now presenting to you the cap that you are currently seeing in front of you. You have to ensure that you open this cap with the utmost care and attention so that it does not sustain any damage, and I am diligently applying the same carefulness as I open it. As soon as you remove this cover, you will see the tank. Inside the tank there are various components and features that you all have access to and can utilize as needed. We need to flush the ink, and this is the process that I am about to demonstrate for you right now. In order for us to move forward, you need to open this deck at your earliest convenience. And within this container you will find a supply of high quality premium grade ink for your usage. You definitely need to use that in this case. Starting at this point, I will carefully add ink to the surface in precisely measured quantities, ensuring each addition is accurate and controlled as I perform the action of adding the ink right before your very eyes. Add it slowly, ensuring that each addition is controlled and gradual. Then try to first shake it thoroughly and stir it carefully so that its overall quality improves a bit more with each subsequent action. Only add ink inside the specified area as needed, and ensure that you do not add an excessive amount of ink inside. And now the cap that we had removed from it, you can first take the time to carefully inspect it thoroughly using a mobile phone to ensure its proper condition and functionality before proceeding with any further steps. With the assistance of a flashlight, carefully inspect the container's interior, and if you find that there is still some space left inside, you have the option to add a little more ink to it as necessary. Now a little more is required. I want to add some more ink into it. So in front of all of you assembled here today, I have added some more ink into it now. Begin by gently shaking the container a little to ensure that the mixture inside thoroughly settles at the bottom, and now carefully place its cap on top. And now you need to attach the screw on top, which we had removed a little while earlier. Carefully tighten the component slightly by using the wrench along with some necessary assistance. We will carefully rotate the machine's magnet roller slightly to ensure that the layer of ink applied on top becomes perfectly level and uniformly even across the entire surface. Now the next step we are going to perform is its full implementation within our development process. We will extract the waste from inside. This step involves opening the drum, so we need to do it with some caution. We need to open it carefully to prevent any damage to its pins and body, which is why I am using the specific tool currently available to me, ensuring that all parts remain intact. You also have the option to use either this specific tool or any other related tool that can conveniently and easily open it without experiencing any difficulty or complications. Please use the tool's fine tip carefully and gently as you attempt to effectively remove it. Please ensure that you work with a heightened level of caution to prevent any potential damage, particularly by taking extra care of the drum component to avoid causing any harm or malfunction. This is a very sensitive component for printing. Now I have already removed this pin. I will meticulously proceed to remove and carefully open the drum to ensure no damage during the process. And furthermore, I have taken the necessary steps to separate its PCR component for further analysis. These two screws that you are currently seeing here are the ones that you need to loosen properly. And we will also take care to thoroughly clean the drum cleaning blade, ensuring it is free of any residue or buildup. I will